Welcome listeners to the next video of steps in digital marketing process. We already discussed on digital marketing process all the 8 steps. So we'll go to in detail uh, one by one. So first one is developing digital marketing strategy. So if you don't know where we are heading, we'll never reach. That's why a good strategy for digital marketing decision is indeed needed. So developing, integrating, and balancing the digital marketing strategies is the first step of a digital marketing process. An ideal digital strategies aligns with the vision of a business or any other entity dealt with. There are a number of key determinants for making a digital marketing strategies that are long-term and short-term goals, challenges being faced currently, challenges which are likely to arise in future, then expected return on investment, budget for the digital marketing programs, all are there. So, what are different digital marketing strategies with given environment or limited resources? So these are some of the digital marketing ecosystem which we can use for developing a brand and promoting our business, promoting a product or services, whatever it is. So search engine optimization, pay-per-click marketing, webinars, content marketing, like blogging and article writing, downloadable content offerings like ebooks, white paper, then webinars, then like a webinar proceedings, email marketing, social media marketing, video productions. So these are a number of you know options for digital marketing strategies. There are digital marketing mix also. So digital marketing strategies is a series of action that a company takes to achieve its marketing goal by carefully selecting and planning for digital marketing tools. All I explained later was digital marketing tools. Search engine optimization is a tool, web analytics is a tool, then webinar is a tool for a digital marketing. So each company have to identify the best tool and to apply for a certain scenario in certain product for certain products and services. Have an example, a company like Sunsilk. Okay, Sunsilk is a shampoo company. So they need awareness. They have to give awareness. They have to give a recent trends of hair dressing and how to protect the hair and all. So they have started a YouTube channel for uh, encouraging the customers or encouraging the prospect to know more about how to take care of the hair and scalp. So they have used a tool called a video blogging or video videos in different platforms like a YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, Instagram. So they have made small micro videos for giving more information and awareness about hair growth, preserving hair, cleaning scalp, hair styling, etc. So they have taken that video as a promotional tool or video as a branding tool in different platforms like social media platforms. So this is what exactly to achieve digital marketing we have to identify the best platforms. So developing digital marketing strategy, so this is the right question at the right time. So what are your short term and long term goals? What challenges are you facing now? What challenges are you expected to face in future? Who are your prospect and how to attract them? Who are your competitors? And what competitors are doing right now in digital platforms? How much you should invest in marketing program? What is your expected return on investment? So before selecting a digital marketing tool, we have to analyze ourselves or we have to analyze our organization needs, want, marketing needs, want, etc. Then identify the best tool for digital marketing strategy. Getting into the second point, creating the visibility of the brand. So, what do you mean by visibility? So, visibility is an inevitable thing in digital marketing as well as social media marketing. When there is visibility, there is favorability. Visibility is visual cues. So, how much visual cues a organization is spreading or disseminating through different digital platforms. So, visibility is reaching out to your potential customers and telling the potential customers that you are on the internet web. So, it is almost value creation or value delivery. It will raise the cognitiveness of your existing customer also, because have an example, I'm an iPhone customer and I never seen a video on iPhone, or I never seen a motivating factors related with the iPhone customers. Definitely I will feel cognitive dissonance, even in traditional medium like a TV, or in modern medium like digital platforms. So I never seen a content related with iPhone. Definitely I will feel a bad ego stage. That is called as a cognitive dissonance. I feel myself offended because I'm a iPhone customer, and I can see a number of videos related with other phone companies. So visibility will enhance the brand. Visibility will make your existing customer happier. Visibility will attract the prospect customers. Visibility can educate the the browser or the prospect customers. So creating visibility of your brand. So have an example, you have started a fast food restaurant, and your dream is you will get more food-ins in your restaurant. Do you believe that without any visibility, do you get a visible, a food-in, a mass food-in into your fast food retail chain? If no one is again giving a good impression or word of mouth regarding your fast food restaurant, definitely no food-ins or food falls will expect in your fast food retail chain. Hello guys, what exactly in this world, in this modern world, a business like a restaurant definitely need a presence in Google review, Google Maps, and other application like Foursquare, where the customers, the prospect can see what is the review of this fast food retail chain or fast food restaurant. Then only people have a impulse to come to your store or come to your restaurant and have food. So have an example, same visibility will happen in nowadays in online ordering, that is hyper logistics. So definitely Swiggy and Uber Eats are giving rating, or Zomato is giving rating to certain restaurants. Have an example, hotels. Oyo is giving opportunity to the customer to rate the hotel. TripAdvisor is giving opportunity to the customer to rate the hotel, so that the future customer can know about what exactly the hospitality of the customer. So all are making visibility. So all this kind of social visibility or social digital visibility are inevitable in these days. There are n number of factors. Your Facebook page matters more, your Twitter page matters more, your Instagram pages matters more for running a business, because everywhere you'll get more visibility. Every day if you're posting your videos, have an example, new dishes, new arrivals, new chef, you have hired a new chef, and the specialty of the chef, chef special. Okay, so then seafoods. So all are updating on your different social media platform, as well as your website and your blog as well, and user generated content. Definitely visibility will go up, and SEO, your SEO will organically come. And you have another option called the paid visibility. So we'll learn everything in detail. So don't expect a footfall in your store without visibility. So see how we can create visibility. As I said earlier, website, mobile applications, YouTube channels, blog, accounts on page on various social media handles like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and others, emails, make more footings to your organization, or to your your fast food retail chain, or whatever your business place. So nowadays digital marketing is inevitable for giving visibility. So visibility is equal to favorability. When visibility increases, when positive visibility increases, favorability towards a brand or a organization or a certain shop will increase. If visibility is less, have an example, you have a tremendous, you have you know uh, path breaking product, disruptive product, but no one knows about the product. What would happen? Your product will be dumped in the inventory itself. Same like that. Same like that. You have a good chef, you have a good state of the art, dining, everything, but your restaurant is not known to anyone. Definitely, it affects your business. So, digital marketing helps in visibility as well. So in the next video, we'll learn about a different kind of a visibility that we can make through digital marketing. Thank you.